It's totally lost on me.
Yeah, I don't give a shit either.
Hey, I'm Nicole Stein.
Stein. Stein.
I'm Nicole Stein.
I delegate you to go get me a fucking beer while I talk to Nicole.
George Silver, operating partner, Stern Taylor.
Stern. Stern.
Silver, operating partner, Stern Taylor.
We've been circling each other for the last 20 minutes. Ooh, the Winklevoss twins.
Winkle. Winkle.
The Winklevoss twins.
Well, look who's the big swinging dick.
Hey, Javid. Everything okay at Ghoulie Bib?
Bib. Bib.
Hey, Javid. Everything okay at Ghoulie Bib? Hey, Javid. Everything okay at Ghoulie Bib?
You gotta ask them. They can me.
What?
Yeah. Our investors got spooked.
Spook. Spook.
What?
Yeah. Our investors got spooked. I blew my whole signing bonus renting that house. I'm looking into suing them.
Jeez.
Look, all I can say is,
Geez. Geez.
Jeez.
look, all I can say is,
He was the smartest, shrewdest.
Shrewd. Shrewd.
He was the smartest, shrewdest. Yeah, he was in the Serengeti on safari.
Safari. Safari.
In the Serengeti on safari.
It ran right into the hippo?
No, the hippo was also startled by the noise.
Hippo. Hippo.
Oh?
No, the hippo was also startled by the noise.
Pause. Do you know what that means?
No?
It means that now that Peter Gregory is gone, all of the Reviga investors have the contractual right.
Contractual. Contractual.
All of the Reviga investors have the contractual right.
And that is the very first spot in our new campaign, heralding the upcoming
Herald. Herald.
our new campaign, heralding the upcoming
will be overtaken by next spring. It will be nothing short of a catastrophe. Data shortages, data rationing, data black markets.
Ration. Ration.
Data shortages, data rationing, data black markets.
They looked at the portfolio performances of each of the senior partners over the last several funds, and my numbers were objectively the most favorable.
Objectively. Objectively.
Funds, and my numbers were objectively the most favorable. We own a $30 million ostrich farm in Morocco, or that we are the majority stakeholders in 3 companies.
Stakeholder. Stakeholder.
Morocco, or that we are the majority stakeholders in 3 companies. Morocco, or that we are the majority stakeholders in 3 companies that specialize in invisibility.
Invisibility. Invisibility.
3 companies that specialize in invisibility.
Algorithm and beat one of the largest tech companies in the world. So why don't you rework this a little?
Rework. Rework.
Are you feeling unwell? Do you need protein?
Unwell. unwell.
Are you feeling unwell? Do you need protein?
I hate this part. Well, one thing is for sure. If we're gonna get any traction, I need to step up my game.
Traction. Traction.
If we're gonna get any traction, I need to step up my game. Shit, they were negging us.
Negging? Negging is going negative. It's a manipulative sex strategy used by lonely chauvinists.
Chauvinist. Chauvinist.
Negative. It's a manipulative sex strategy used by lonely chauvinists.
They try and bring our price down. But you shitting all over them counteracted their shitting all over us.
Counteract. Counteract.
Them counteracted their shitting all over us.
Should I keep doing it? Should I keep negging?
No, I'll handle this. If they want to negotiate using hostility and rudeness.
Rudeness. Rudeness.
If they want to negotiate using hostility and rudeness. It's just that painting behind you. It is awful. Looks like Harlequin Kama Sutra done poorly.
Sutra. Sutra.
Looks like Harlequin Kama Sutra done poorly. Thank you for meeting with us. We have a bunch of these things to go to, hopefully with more tasteful artwork.
Tasteful. Tasteful.
Hopefully with more tasteful artwork. In fact, what I think I'm seeing is the human equivalent of a flaccid penis.
Flaccid. It's actually pronounced flaccid.
Flack. Flack.
Flaccid. It's actually pronounced flaccid. We should be able to get a functioning beta in time for CES. And if you don't fund us, you're a fucking slut.
Slut. Slut.
You're a fucking slut.
And fully diluted.
Are you shitting me?
Take a look at these term sheets. There is a linear correlation between how intolerable I was.
Intolerable. Intolerable.
There is a linear correlation between how intolerable I was.
So, I believe that satisfies your requirements. Monica will arrange a time to formalize the details.
Formalize. Formalize.
Monica will arrange a time to formalize the details.
Richie! So I push my dick to the side. Unbutton the bottom two buttons.
Unbutton. Unbutton.
So I push my dick to the side. Unbutton the bottom two buttons.
And it's my final offer. Take it or leave it.
I was not anticipating this, but I think it will be workable from our end.
Workable. Workable.
Yes, but I think it will be workable from our end.
And yet, something was wrong. Underneath it all, there was an unmistakable tension.
Unmistakable. Unmistakable.
Underneath it all, there was an unmistakable tension. All of us, to truly make the world a better place. This is Florence during the Renaissance.
Renaissance. Renaissance.
This is Florence during the Renaissance.